Well, you know what today is? Today is the day I've sold this oak planking. I put it on Facebook Marketplace, and yes, I finally got somebody to agree to purchase it, and they're picking it up this morning. And hey, I'll make a few bucks. Probably not as much as, I'm making 65 bucks. All right, I posted it for 125, then I lowered it down to 95, and then finally I thought, this is ridiculous, 65 bucks I'm lowering it down to. It doesn't even pay for my time to save it, and to pull it up carefully, to try to save it, to stack it, to store it, to post it, to meet somebody over here and load it up and all that kind of stuff. But hey, it's going to be recycled and it's not going to be thrown away. Okay, so does Facebook Marketplace work? Yes, it does. And a couple other things I had sold too. The dishwasher I pulled out, got that sold. The stove, I pulled that out, got that sold. And I'm also selling this. I've already got a deposit on this. We're going to use it for a couple months. Then the lady's going to come over here and pick it up after the new one gets here. And I still have the microwave for sale, but we need to use that for a couple months before the new one comes, before the new countertops come, before the new appliances come. And I've got that posted on there. Hey, if somebody wants to give me a deposit on it, fine. If they don't, I'll post it again after we remove it when we install the new one. And I got a washer and dryer on there for sale too. And hey, I'm gonna post some other stuff on there too. So I'm getting some good results from Facebook Marketplace. The only thing I've had 3 different commitments on this toilet, and they all fell through. So I still got the lonely toilet for sale, and there's nothing wrong with it. And I think I got that posted for like 65 bucks. I may have to lower that, but I'll get that sold. I'll get it sold. Oh, that's funny too. I haven't posted it yet, but I'm gonna even post this paint right here. This is brand new, never been opened. This, we used a couple gallons of that and it was the wrong color. We really didn't like it. So there's probably 3 gallons in there. I'm gonna post that. And who knows, I might get that sold too. I'd rather do that than throw it away. There's no way to really throw that away. You don't want to throw that away in a dumpster with the liquid and stuff. You could get some kitty litter, mix some kitty litter in with that stuff, let it dry, open the lids for a month and let all this stuff dry and cake up. Or you can buy some stuff. You can actually buy some stuff at local paint stores. I know Sherwin-Williams has some of this stuff, and I don't know if Kelly Moore does, and I don't even know if the Home Depot or Lowe's does, but you pour it in there. It's kind of like kitty litter, and you mix it up in there, and then it dries, and it helps soak up all of the paint in these little granules, and then you can throw it away. Okay, be nice to the environment. Hey, the one thing I forgot to mention on your carpet remnants, we just had the condo installed with new carpet. Look at all this extra carpet we got. I got some other pieces, and I can cut these for mats, floor mats, and stuff like that. And also, don't forget, you want to save some in case you have an accident on the carpet, you get a spill, you get a tear, you get anything like that. Save some of your carpet, because you might be glad you did. All right, back to work I go.